Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to manage your stories on Facebook Lite, post, archive, and edit and delete. So here I'll be teaching you first of all how to post. Right here, so we're gonna click on here. So first thing we're gonna post, all we need to do is click on that right here. We're gonna post right there, we're just clicking that. And then click on the story you want to post right here. Then you can add some music if you want. Then you can now share it. So you see right there, now it's uploading. Now I'm going to teach you how to edit the post right here. Excuse me guys. Edit the post right there. Click on the three dots on the top right corner. Then you can click on edit story privacy right here. You can choose right here. You can customize it, hide. You can hide it, public, custom, public, hide story from or to a few people. That's customized. So share and contact, allow others share your public story size on story. You can don't allow right here, and here right now it's don't allow. Here next is story archive. Story archive, archiving your stories automatically archives photo videos after they disappear from your story. Only you can see your story. There we go. And story you muted, only you can see when you mute or unmute a story. There you go, as you can see right there. So that's how you edit it, as you see. There you go. And a quick tip for you guys if you want. And the next thing we're going to teach you was the archive. So all of the archive, as you can see, after this disappear, it will go save directly to archive. But if you're using the Facebook itself, the Facebook feature, Facebook has a feature that even if you post it on your story, you can already archive if you don't have to wait 24 hours for the video to disappear. So you can go to archive, but there you can archive it immediately. But here on Facebook Lite, it can't be archived, so you have to wait. And after you waited for a few moments, for 24 hours, just go right here, then go to activity log, then go to archive, then go to story archive, and it will be located right here. Now for the last part is we're going to teach you how to delete. So when you delete a story, it will not go to a trash, so it will be permanently deleted. So that's the catchword, guys. When you delete a story, not like the post, when you post in Facebook Lite, it will just go to the trash when you delete it or when you move it to trash. But here, when you delete a story in Facebook Lite, it will be permanently deleted. Right, watch what I'll show you. Deleting photo. There you go. We go to here. Now watch. So you see, we're gonna go to activity log, then trash. See, there's no story right there. Story archive. There's nothing. Trash right here. There's nothing. As you can see, there's a little bit of downside about Facebook Lite doing that. So yeah, there you go guys, that's all about it. And it also works on Facebook the same. When you delete it, it permanently deletes. But yeah, there you go guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.